Good morning, everybody. Sorry, I have no idea what was going on. Scheduled the live stream. It said there was 2 live streams scheduled, so I couldn't go live, so I had to delete the live stream and go live on this one. We got Dark Bro first in the chat on this one. Frank, I saw you on the other one, man. I don't know which one does count. But I did see you on the other one, Frank. We got Dark Bro, Frank, Dark Bro, Frank. We got Chris, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Chris, Dark Bro, Frank, Dark Bro, Chris, Dark Bro, all of you guys. Glad to have you in here right now. Appreciate you coming back to this one after the other one had to get deleted because it wasn't working. Let's check the market out, see what's happening so far today. We've got AMC sitting at $4.26 right now. Barcoding. All right, AMC, come on, get some legs. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $7.30. GameStop sitting at $23.04. Mullen Auto, 20 cents. On its way back down right now. Mullen Auto, of course, touching 32 cents yesterday, touching 20 cents today. The NASDAQ doing pretty well over the last hour or so. 0.49% higher, 13,746. AMC, 426. GameStop, 2304. Dogecoin, 6.5 cents. Ethereum, 1872. Shiba Inu coin, 729. Bitcoin sitting at 30,376. Mullen Auto, 7% lower on the day. Dang, man. Sundial sitting at $1.40. The SPY, 440. BBIG, wow, 12% higher for BBIG. $1.34 right now. Highcroft Mining, 30 cents per share. Netflix sitting at 44 or 441. QQQ 368.96. QQQ looking pretty good today. Where are we at here? We are getting ready to test this recent high, and I don't think it's going to get there today. We need a solid 1.5% more gain from where we're at to touch a recent high. Highly doubt we get there today. Ape is sitting at $1.79.9. MPW 9.29. Tesla 2.79, and Novix back up to the upside, 5% higher. PID 17.78, and Joby up nice 4% today, sitting at 9.66 at the moment. Decent day so far today. If you look at the left, the vast majority is green. We got red in Mullen and red in Highcroft, a little bit of red in AMC. The rest is looking pretty good. We're going to watch Bitcoin play out. Still Blues Clues in here, though. Something with that. Even when I'm not first, I'm still first. Hey, man, J-Bones. Yes, no, Frank got that one. Frank got that one. 6 people watching, 1 like, 3 people commenting. Come on, guys. Don't forget to click that like button. Stay active in the top 10. 4 people. There you go, man. Dark, I knew you'd put on your Pelosi panties. Break out your bad idea AI with bionic thumb and be in here first. Had to ruffle your feathers / wings. Yes, Dark Bro did get in here very quickly. Quick, while people talking smack to the CEO of Mullen. J-Bones, I don't follow Mullen as closely, but, and I don't know why exactly they would be talking smack. My best guess, okay, is because he has given himself a ridiculous amount of shares of Mullen Auto as performance bonuses, okay? Performance bonuses on a stock that has done nothing but go down, and not just go down, but lose 99.99% of its value. I mean, we know that Mullen is plagued. So that would be my best guess. Let's take a look at Mullen for a second. Shares outstanding. 243 million shares. I don't know if that is after the recent dilution or not. 243 million shares at 1/5 of that, sitting on a $50 million market cap. All right, that makes sense. So let's see if I can find this really quick. Okay, I don't know. This could be... This would be my best guess. And I don't know why they're ripping on the CEO, but he deserves to be ripped on. So, Investor Place. This article from January of 2023 here. He received 34 million shares of Mullen Auto. A month later, not even a month later, okay, this guy owns 113 million shares. 113 million shares of Mullen Auto, worth $36 million. We know that the company is now only worth $50 million. All right? Then, just last month, because he hit a performance bonus, he receives 2.63 million more shares. And look at this. Mullen has not disclosed which milestone Mystery achieved to receive the 2.63 million shares. This dude is paying himself obscene performance bonuses. To perform what? The stock price has been obliterated. He has diluted the snot out of investors. And he sits there, that 116 or 113 million number, whatever it was, that was pre-split numbers. So that was prior to the 1 for 20 or 1 for 25 split that it just went through. Those numbers are post-split there at 2.63. This dude is sitting on massive amounts of the company for performance bonuses that I would argue, and I'm sure that's why many people are arguing, that he does not deserve. Because if you look at the price of Mullen Auto, where's the performance here? Where's the performance in a stock that has gone from $80 a share a year ago to 10 cents 2 days ago and 20 cents today? He does not deserve that, right? Give the guy a paycheck. Okay, let him run the company into the ground and pay him to do so. But where does the performance bonus come from? And that's what he is doing, is running this company into the ground. I mean, think about it, man. We're sitting on a $50 million market cap for a company that has no revenue here. And the CEO is loading up with millions of shares literally every couple of months. So, yeah, that would be my best guess. I don't know if that's the truth or not. But, dude, don't pay yourself massive performance bonuses when you are not performing. In other news, hacker steals over $162 million worth of Bitcoin distributed among multiple wallets. Oh, my gosh. Same crap that AA did. Yeah, except... Yeah, about the same thing, actually, because Adam Aaron cashed out like 40 to $60 million, and this CEO was just sitting on $36 million worth. So it's actually about the exact same amount that Adam Aaron did. Long-term retirement portfolio buys 10 shares of AT&T, SCHD times 5 shares, SRET 5 shares, USB 2 shares, WBA 2 shares, USAC 2 shares, and annual dividend sitting at $13.30 right now. Very nice. We'll cover calls on Thor, July 28th at $16.50 for 11 cents per share. My average is $12.42. Very nice, Frank. Looking good. SPY QQQ on the verge of a breakout. Yes, Moji. We can look at that in a second here. What do you think about Nano Dimensions? I like Nano Dimensions if they are profitable right now. I have not looked at Nano Dimensions fundamentals or their income statement in a very long time, but a lot of people talking about them. We could pull that graph up as well after I say, Chris, thank you very much for the super chat. Took an early lunch today. Don't want to complain about the job, but believe me, I want to complain about the job. So instead, you just gotta eat some broccoli and drink your milk, ladies and gentlemen. Gotta go. Just listening. Absolutely, Chris. Thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much for the broccoli milk once again. Appreciate you being in here, dude. And try to enjoy your day, man. It's a Friday. I don't know if you got the weekend off or not, but hopefully you have a good one today. We're gonna make a segue we're gonna take a segue for a minute because I gotta share this with someone. So last night I was browsing through TikTok, came across a guy who was disabled and working out, going hard in the gym, and people were trolling and hating on this man and saying the most horrifying things I've seen. A Big Daddy Dark Bro had to put him in their place. Very nice, Dark Bro. Yeah, dude, look, the internet is absolutely a cruel place. For some reason, okay, we have the best community on the internet. I don't know what it is about you guys. I don't know if it's because there's so few people in here or what the deal is, but you guys are absolutely awesome. You know that, and it is true. You go to these other places, man, it is nothing but hate and disgust. You hang out in here, you're going to enjoy yourself, and you're going to get built up. So, yeah, Dark Bro, don't get spoiled by the community that we've got going on in here. These bros are the absolute best, man. The internet is for trolls and the internet is for hate. And what we've got going on here is the exact opposite of that. CEO crooks everywhere. You know where the other CEO crook is? Was it GNS? Is that the one? Yeah, this is the other one. GNS, man. This is the good one right here. This is the guy, the CEO that was going to single-handedly take on all of the naked shorts, remember? He was going to go out there and personally fight all of the naked shorts with his plan to kill all naked shorting. And because of that, look what retail did to his stock. Boom! 30 cents to $8 in a matter of about 2 weeks there. And I don't know where. If I can find dilution. I can't go any further back. April might be good. I don't know. I can't find where this guy would have taken advantage of it, but yes. People jumping on board, and this is, where did it go? And this is what happened after retail shoots his stock up. It is right back down on its way to that 30-cent mark that it was treading at before. So this is the guy that single-handedly took on naked shorts. And there was another company that, like, reverse split and so on afterwards that was following their exact same strategy. So, dude, there have been a lot of CEOs that have really been coming hard for retail during this bear market. It's been disgusting, man. It has really been disgusting. Hey, who's really going to be more successful with Shibarium coming out? Shib or Bone? Giovanni, Bone. Bone is the only thing that is really going to benefit from Shibarium. Now, let me say this, dude. That doesn't mean that Shibarium is not going to create some hype and excitement for Shiba Inu coin, right? But if you're looking for actual, like, utility being created from Shibarium, it all goes to Bone. It all goes to Bone. You don't even need Shiba Inu coin anywhere along the lines with Shibarium. You don't need a Shib. You don't need to buy Shib. You don't need to have Shib. You don't need to hold Shib. You don't need it at all. But you do need Bone. And it creates massive utility for Bone. Creates nothing for Shiba Inu coin. And depending on the numbers, this is going to be a bold statement. Depending on what the actual fees are on the mainnet release, I don't know if Shibarium will ever burn one Shiba Inu coin. I mean, that's a bold statement, right? It truly is. But I don't know if Shibarium is ever going to burn one Shiba Inu coin. If the current numbers, if it only burns 0.12 zeros and 147 Shiba Inu or Bone per transaction, it will never burn. It will never burn a single Shiba Inu coin. So you do have to worry about that. Bone is going to be the benefactor of Shibarium. And then whoever said to pull some stuff up, we could look at that in a second. I'm getting distracted by Mullen Autos. Remind me of those graphs that you want to get pulled up here, and I'll pull those up. Moji! Nope, smashed the last 3 like candy yesterday. Just biting my tongue, grinding my teeth, and just focused on work, then leaving. There you go, Chris. Good deal, man. Focus on work and don't suck on those toothpicks all day today. Bone is the winner of Shibarium. Yes, it is. Hey, man! New to your channel in crypto investing, learning all the lingo, but stumbled on Shib and Bone back at 79 cents AUD. Bought in a bit, and Bone is pumped to a $1.82 AUD currently, but Shib is sitting. Any thoughts as to what will happen? Fat Dad Gaming, number 1, congratulations. Thank you very much for being in here. Absolutely appreciate you stumbling upon this channel and being bold enough to come into the live stream and hang out with us. You are a bro now. Okay, appreciate you for being in here. Do hope that you stay active in here. Hang out with us every single day, even though it seems like it is probably, what, midnight for you right now in Australia. It might be a bit of a time difference there. Dude, hang out with us in the evenings. Hang out with us in the morning if you can, depending on your schedule. We do 2 live streams per day, but welcome. Fat Dad Gaming. Here's my thoughts, man. I think you were doing phenomenal in Bone right now. Yes, you are correct. Shiba Inu coin is sitting sideways. I do believe that Shiba Inu coin is going to sit sideways until we get a little bit more hype and excitement surrounding the Shibarium release, which for some reason we don't have right now. We have an actual date. Shibarium is going to be released at ETH Toronto in August, according to Satoshi. So people should be a little bit more excited than they are right now. But here's my best, not advice to you, but my best, I don't know, pointing out of what has happened before and what could happen again. So during February into March, when everybody was getting hyped up about the Shibarium testnet release, Bone was doing phenomenal. Okay, Bone ran to $2 from basically 30 cents. Bone ran up to $2 on the excitement surrounding the Shibarium release. We talked about it, and we were under the impression that Bone would pull back after the Shibarium release, one of those buy the rumor, sell the news type of events. That is exactly what happened. So here's what we could see happen with the Shibarium release, and be aware of it. People get excited. They buy Bone into the release the same exact way they did the testnet release. And all of a sudden, the mainnet is released. And we're not getting the same level of transactions. Sorry, I got something on my tongue. We're doing, I don't know, 250,000 to 400,000 transactions per day right now on the testnet. If all of a sudden the mainnet is released and it's doing 10,000 transactions per day, people are going to be disappointed. What they're going to do is go out there and sell Bone on that disappointment. So you may see a nice run up and then a decline as people realize that the reality is not what they thought it was. Of course, it's going to be time. It's going to need time to build up that mainnet and build up Shibarium. So you might see another opportunity where Bone comes back down and then gradually and steadily grows alongside of Shibarium. So do not be afraid to take profits, man. Do not be afraid to take profits. Hey, bro, tagged you in the supporters. I just closed that. I got to open it back up. I closed it because it was messing. Like, all my tabs were messed up there. I want to see if. Do I need to log back in? Come on. Huh. Yeah, I'm human. What are you talking about? Yeah, I'm human. What was the password that I had just used like yesterday when I logged into Discord? You guys are ridiculous. If I can't find it, I am not gonna log in. Oh, let me see. Got him. All right, cool. Disciplined investor finds balance. Very nice, Frank. Frank has a beautiful breakdown of his portfolio, guys. Frank really is a freak in the spreadsheets, man. My goodness. QQQ breakout. You heard it here first. Yes, Moji, man. Let's take a look at the QQQ really quick as Mullen Auto touches 1855. Dang it, I was thinking about buying some puts on Mullen yesterday. would have been doing very well if I did, but I did not. I didn't want to touch it. QQQ 369.08. The daily is looking very good right now, guys. Coming back up to potentially retest this area right here. This is the breakout level. If we break back above 372, 373, we are on some fresh new highs, and these fresh new highs could absolutely lead to a breakout. So, Moji, you're right. I don't know if we get it today, but absolutely next week could be leading to a breakout here if we're able to recapture this 373 mark. Good news is, guys, all-time high is at 404. So we're like 10% away, 10% gain away from hitting an all-time high. That, like, understand an all-time high in the stock market is some big news. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro, thank you very much for teaching our new members how to eat a banana. You peel the banana, you tilt the head back, you lick the banana, and you stick the banana. Thank you very much, Dark Bro, for the banana eating tutorial. Love it. Try password. Password did work, man. Password actually worked. It's right there. I'm back in the Discord. Roulette wheel. Appreciate you on that one. Apologize, everybody, for distracting Clay. You did it, man. Fat Dad, you have gifting enabled in settings? Yeah. Okay, awesome. Thanks, Moji. If you do have it, I forgot to log out of this account before joining. Rip me. Fat Dad Gaming. Do whatever you want. But if you have gift enabled or gift receiving enabled, you're about to get a green name. What do we got here? Where's that at? Wow, that came up on the screen faster than it came up in my chat. Roulette wheel. Thank you very much for the super chat. Roulette wheel says, here, have some coffee on me. Don't mind if I do. Here, have some coffee on me. Don't mind if I do. Here, have some coffee on me as I choke on the coffee. It's actually water, though. Roulette wheel. Think of the 4, the 3 times authorized hydration, and I gotta do something. Moji, throwing it out. Honda K24 grabbing that green name. It did not go to Fat Dad Gaming. I don't think he's got his gift receiving enabled right now. Moji, thank you very much for that green name. And boom, right out there to somebody very quickly. So, Honda, if you were in here, please say thank you to Moji. Moji, absolutely appreciate it, man. And Fat Dad, enable your gift receiving. Fat Dad, I'm telling you, enable your gift receiving. Honda is in here. I love it when you guys get that green name. Very nice. I'm not used to YouTube gifting. Well, it's okay, man. If you enable it, guess what you could do? You could grab a green name directly from Moji. Moji loves throwing green names out there. Everybody in this chat could have a green name right now. I was going to do something. Oh, now I know what I was going to do. Guys, listen, if you see Pat in the Discord, on the streets, anywhere, this dude is an absolute legend, okay? I wake up this morning. I don't know if it was when I woke up this morning. But I look at my phone this morning, right? And deleting all the notifications that I got on there. And wouldn't you know, a Streamlabs notification, and we're not even streaming. Look at this right here. Good morning, Clay. Good morning to you, Pat. Hope that all is well. Please send out a dilly and my best regards to everyone. Keep the faith, bro, fam. After all, Bears will have to hibernate, and the Bulls are getting riled up for the stampede. 9,775 to go. Dilly. To my boy Pat Brilly. Oh, yes, Pat, man. If you are out there listening right now, absolutely appreciate it. Guys, please throw a thank you out to Pat. Throw a shout out to Pat in the Discord this weekend. Let him know that we absolutely miss him. This dude is still, I mean, think about this. He can't make the streams, but he still makes the streams. To me, that is crazy. And you know, you don't have to do so through a super chat like that, but this dude is absolutely killing it and hitting up Streamlabs when we're not even streaming, which to me is just crazy. But I did want to play that, and I'll try to play it again during the afternoon live stream. Hopefully one of you guys can remind me to do so. You know, I mean, Pat deserves the recognition for doing that, obviously. So absolutely appreciate it, Pat. And if anybody sees him out there this weekend, you know, say what's up to him. and have a conversation with the dude, because absolutely incredible that the man is still showing up even though he can't make it to the live streams. So really, really appreciate it. Trump on Canada knows something rally today. Pepe mooning. Oh God, I'm gonna look up Pepe Honda. Pepe and Pepe 2.0. Pat Bro is definitely missed. Yes, he is. Mr. Hydration, make sure that I stay hydrated even when he's not in here. I love being in this chat room. Giovanni Lewis, man, that's what I'm talking about. We love that you're in here too. Giovanni, a bro for 9 stinking months. I love it. Giovanni, thank you very much for keeping that green name for 9 months, man. Anybody else in here on the verge of 1 year? Looking very good, Giovanni. Appreciate you, man. And you know what? You guys really are. Look, there's a lot of other very smart people out there. There's a lot of other very good live streams. There's a lot of other places that you can hang out on the internet. But I'm telling you right now, I am biased, right? Because this is technically my channel. I am biased. But this is by far the best place that you can be. There's no doubt. You can laugh other places, yes. You can learn other places, yes. But dude, name another place where you are surrounded by bros who actually want to see you do better. Think about that. I don't think you can online. Yes, your family doesn't live online, but yes, your family is out there. But these bros, dude, everybody in here wants to see you do better, and you are not going to be getting that anywhere on the internet except for right here. So Giovanni, man, love the fact that you're in here as well. Nice, Giovanni. Yes, Pat, thank you. Absolutely, roulette wheel. Pepe 3.0. If there's a Pepe 3.0, man, I'm out. Oh, gosh. Let's see where we are here. David Mishry, feeding himself, ladies and gentlemen. 2.6 million shares 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. 100 million shares a couple weeks before that. This dude is killing it. All right, let's reload this up here. Pepe 2.0 sitting at 1541, a 16% gain on the day today. A little bit of a pullback from the highs yesterday, but still absolutely killing it. $115 million in volume, $62 million market cap. Pepe 2.0 killing it. Is this dude joking with me? Which one is it, man? Which one is it? Oh my God. Pepe 3.1. Oh, man. Look at this one now. Look at this one. Oh, my gosh. How long has this been out? Pepe 3.0. It's been out for a while. And gaining some traction now. Dude, this was down. Did this 3x or 30x? All right. So it's down to 18. Oh no, this 30x. That's 3. Yeah. Holy moly, man. This is like 30x increased. Gosh. Look at this, man. No volume here. $50,000 in volume, right? Pepe 3.0 sitting on no market cap. What? I'm buying Pepe 4.0. Is there a Pepe 4.0? There's a Pepe 4.2. Oh, gosh. It's Ethereum, man. It's Ethereum. Yeah, I think I might be buying Pepe 420, man. Oh, my gosh. Look at Pepe 3.0. Okay, 30xing to a $1.3 million market cap. I think we just need to skip straight over to Pepe 4. Jump on before everybody else jumps on. I don't know about you guys, but this sounds like a good idea to me. Pepe 4.2, $30,000 market cap right now. As soon as these people realize that this one is on, it's going to rip up in price as well. It is only available on Uniswap right now. It is only done $4,000 worth of volume today. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Pepe 4.0, or 4.2. 4.20, man. This could be the one. This could be the one. $30,000 market cap right now. Go out there, take a lottery ticket play because Pepe 3.0 ripping up 30x. Oh my gosh. Ripping up 30x to that $1.5 million market cap that it is currently sitting on. You guys are absolutely nuts with all the Pepes. Frank, thank you very much for the super chat. Frank, you pour the salt out on the table, man, and you throw it over your shoulder. Because salt tastes so good, you just gotta... but every time it gets in your eyes. Frank, thank you very much for the super chat, man. Loving it right now. You guys are having a good Friday. Absolutely. And look at good old AMC. Even AMC starting to throw some green lines on the chat. Go, 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 go. Come on, man. I did some rearranging last night on my MetaMask, trying to get rid of some things that haven't moved in a while, but all of it into BUSD, waiting to see what comes up. There you go. Dark Bro, Pepe 4.2 might come up, man. If you're new, we have a Discord too. Yeah, you know what? We do have a Discord. I gotta get it. If you guys do want to join the Discord, it's very strange that the link for Discord is always expiring. Oh, Pepe. Yeah, I mean, Pepe. AMC? Come on, AMC, with those green lines there. Don't be shy. Boom, you guys want to join the Discord? Join the Discord. Absolutely, let's make it happen. Check half Pepe. Let's check out half Pepe. Let's do it. There's too many Pepes out there right now. Oh my goodness. All right, half Pepe. Half Pepe. Pepe 0.5. Pepe 0.5 is a $40,000 market cap. This could be another one, guys. Half Pepe. See, half Pepe has been out for a little while, though. Half Pepe came out about a week ago, and it has dropped down significantly in value. So it is down to a $40,000 market cap, doing $25,000 in volume today, which is more than Pepe 4.2. Also, only on Uniswap. So you guys have that out there if you want to check out half Pepe. There's a lot of Pepes going on right now. Good morning to you, Nick. And there is a... Oh my God, is there a Pepe 6.9? Oh, yeah, there is. Oh my gosh, man. $4,000 in liquidity. Pepe 6.9 hasn't done anything. But Pepe 6.9 has been going down for a while. It came out July 1st, shot up like crazy within the first hour, and then has died off since then. So Pepe 6.9 or Pepe 69, whatever this is here, it's only doing $23 in volume. It's got 97 holders, and it's currently sitting on $4,000 in liquidity. So, yeah, there is a Pepe 69 as well. There's a half Pepe down 65% today, getting hit pretty hard there. And there is a Pepe 3.0, which is soaring today, and a Pepe 2.0, which is up today. The Pepe 4.0 could be the next one to go. Pepe 4.2, guys. Pepe 4.2 right here, $36,000 market cap. Sounds like something you're interested in. Let's get started. Fat Daddy Tristan now. Where are we at? Fat Daddy Tristan Tisdale. Okay, I swapped accounts. No longer Fat Dad Gaming. There you go. Tristan Tisdale. Glad to have you in here. We like Fat Dad Gaming as well, though. Half Pepe is down. Half Pepe is down about 50% on the day today, right? Is that where we were? Dude, I don't even know how to get back there. I don't even know how to get back there. Yeah, Pepe half was down. Half Pepe was down today. Let's come back out here, check out the market on the minute, throwing some green lines, same as AMC, only AMC was only up about 1% there. Wait for it. Wait for it. New mini Pepe, 420.69. Oh my gosh, man. And Pepe 4. Oh my god, Pepe 5.5. Yes. There's way too many Pepes out there right now. I do see Pepe 5.0. It's nuts. Don't think Pepe 420 was made with only half an ETH. Other ones made with 1 ETH. Still small, but they mooned. Yeah, Honda, it's absolutely ridiculous, man. A lot of these coins are gaining a lot of attention from people just jumping into the meme coin market and loving that Pepe hype. So it does make you want to try and participate and take advantage of some of those gains. Pumping the long-term and time portfolio until July 22nd. That's the one-year anniversary of the portfolio. Very nice, Frank. And you have done an amazing job, dude, in 1 year. Taking that portfolio to where it is. Dude, congratulations on that one, man. Because, shoot, are you going to be breaking... What are you going to be breaking? July 22nd. You can probably be breaking 20 on it, July 22nd. In the house, what's going on, Kenneth? Glad to have you. Don't think Pepe 420. Oh, saw that. I give up. Kalani, never give up. You're in here. I see you. How's XRP doing? Seems to just be dead in the water. Last I checked, but they are in dispute with the SEC still. Yes. So Ripple or XRP is disputing with the SEC still. Nothing, no settlement has been made. I imagine that that decision is not going to be made anytime soon, even though people are kind of really excited about XRP winning that lawsuit. I don't think this is going to be just that easy. I think XRP is trading at like 46 cents, 44 cents. Yeah, 46.7 cents. As you can see, XRP kind of just sitting stagnant in that 46 cent range. But kind of like you alluded to, it is waiting for some settlement details to determine whether or not it's going to soar or whether or not it's going to continue having a very, very difficult time with more problems from the SEC. Hey, Dark Bro, what's up with BNB? I'll throw a few dollars and buy BNB on MoonPay or Sardine directly through MetaMask, but it hasn't been working. Use this route when I don't want to wait for funds to clear. I don't know what's been going on with BNB. I haven't purchased any. I do have BNB, but I haven't purchased any BNB in a long time. It's like playing penny stocks. That it is, Moji. It's almost the exact same thing, except unregulated companies. And I would venture to say that these over-the-counter exchanges don't really get regulated the same way the NASDAQ and New York Stock Exchange does. Those over-the-counter exchanges, dude, that's what leads to the things like Wolf of Wall Street, man. There's no regulation in that area either. Clay, is it worth you doing a video on all the Pepes out there? DD214, it could be, man. It could be, because I did a lot of Pepe videos back in May when Pepe was ripping higher, and people seem to like it. I think, right, that if we are on the verge of a bull market, it will definitely be worth doing Pepe videos. If the cryptocurrency market becomes heavily regulated in a way that basically kills these little meme coins, I'm not so sure. I read an article this morning that was talking about the European Union regulators. They're coming after DeFi now. They don't think that DeFi should exist. They believe that they should be in charge of regulating DeFi. And here's the problem with it. Because nobody owns a decentralized coin, because it doesn't have a home country, you, the user, become liable for that coin. You are the one that becomes regulated when buying that cryptocurrency. So the European Union, they haven't taken the steps yet, and nothing is law yet. But these regulators are going to pitch the ideas of regulating DeFi with you, the user, as being liable for it. That to me is nuts. That to me is absolute insanity. And the only way that they would want to do that, or the only reason they would want to do that, is simply to control the market. Taking a lesson from Frank. Sounds like you should know a bit of what you're doing before joining the market. I don't know how long my account has been going, but still broke. Yeah, Chris, man, Frank has taken a much more conservative approach, and sometimes that's half the battle, especially during a bear market. Now, being more aggressive during a bull market obviously pays out, but if you are able to conserve wealth during a bear market, it is going to be looking very good for you. And Frank has done an excellent job of conserving his wealth and slowly, steadily growing his wealth during this bear market. So a 1-year congratulatory, good job to Frank out there for killing the bear market. Having some technical issues for a couple of days. I got an email about it in the MetaMask app. Needed updated. I purchased some BNB yesterday and it was successful. Very nice. Solana up nearly 50% in 3 weeks. Yeah, I got a notification this morning, Kalani, that Solana was up another 10%. I think $21.50. Yeah, that seems right. $21, man. Solana touching $21.52 here, touching $21.60 here. Currently sitting at $21.45. If you look at the last couple of weeks, Solana going from $14 to $21. That is a 50% gain. A massive bounce back over, what is this, the last 3 weeks, you say? Since, well, bottoming here on June 10th. And then bouncing off this support again on June 15th. So Solana doing very nice. Here's what you got to keep in mind, though. Okay, yeah, we do have some resistance here in that $30 area, but I mean, move it down into here. Using it as support, resistance, support in this area, resistance. $22, you may be approaching some resistance. If it breaks through, I think you can get back up here to like the $25, $26 area, but I don't know if you're trading. I don't know if you're holding. If you're holding, who cares what these resistance lines are showing on the chart here. But if you're trading, just know that you might be running into some resistance, basically right where you're at or the $22 mark. So keep that in mind if you're looking at it. But nonetheless, man, a little bit of a turnaround in GameStop here. You got AMC going up, GameStop going up, you got Shiba going up, you got the QQQ going up. Everything is looking good at the moment. Except for Mullen Auto. Mullen Auto is trying to test some new fresh lows for the day today. Coming back down, sitting at 19 cents right now. Maybe touching 18 cents soon. Clay, have you done a video looking at all of the funds applying for a Bitcoin ETF? Or have you already done that? So no, I have not looked at all of the different, I guess, money managers out there that are applying for Bitcoin ETFs. I just know Fidelity's looking at it, BlackRock's looking at it, and there might be some other names out there that are looking at it right now, but I've not done a video. I've read some articles, but I haven't done any videos on how many institutions are looking to issue Bitcoin ETFs. I mean, I could. I think I could, because I've already read not quite a bit, but I've read a little bit on the different funds that are looking at that. Seeing hate to the SEC, but don't actually know what they are, as they're an American thing. I don't know if we have anyone like that here in Australia. So Tristan, I'm sure you do, okay? I'm sure you have somebody who regulates the stock exchanges over in Australia, and I'm sure you have somebody who basically takes their cut, right? If you want to start a public company here in the United States, you need to pay a massive amount of money to fill out the paperwork and everything to get your license to be listed on a public exchange. It is usually very beneficial, but it is usually very expensive to do so. Very similar to the mafia, right? If you want to go and you want to work in a town that is controlled by the mafia, and if you want to run a business, you have to pay your dues to them. Very similar to the tax system. Actually, there's no difference between the United States government, probably the Australian government, and a mafia. All right, you have to pay your dues if you want to continue doing business. Otherwise, they break your legs. That's the mafia. The government just shuts you down. It does not allow you to continue functioning, living, and creating wealth for yourself. So I do imagine you have a regulatory body in Australia. I just don't know what it would be called. Yeah, so BNB is being removed from Binance because they told me this morning the BNB is on the SEC list. Yeah, man, and just look at Binance right there. Look at them sitting there complying with SEC concerns that haven't even been litigated. Oh, such good little boys. Dang, man. I think these exchanges... Man, just do what the SEC says, right? Right, Pinex, just do what they say, even if it doesn't make sense. After trying to buy Mutant Coin yesterday, I had $500 in BMB, so I just transferred it over to Pinex, and now I can't transfer it out because of the relish. They'll cash me out because of relish. They'll cash me out in a week. Gotcha. Kenneth, I think that's okay, but relish, what? Q3 is good. It's bullish, Clay. There's a ton of them. Oh, listen, it is bullish in terms of institutional money that could flow in. to the cryptocurrency space. It is bullish in terms of Bitcoin not being considered a security. It is bullish in terms of, I guess, institutional confidence in the crypto space right now. But it, one, has to get approved by the SEC. And two, we need to see that trickle down into altcoins as well. We can't just allow them to give the institutions like BlackRock and Fidelity and so on control of the Bitcoin market and just relinquish the entire altcoin market. We need to see that legitimacy transfer and trickle down into the altcoins as well. What do you think the Fed's going to do? 25, 50, or no rate hike? Tony D, man, I do think that we're gonna have 2 more interest rate hike decisions this year, the same as Jerome Powell has stated. My best guess would be for a slight interest rate hike. Apparently, we had a pretty good jobs report, and a pretty good jobs report is indicating that the Federal Reserve can continue to increase interest rates. They're worried about inflation, or they're worried about interest rates causing the labor market to tighten. It is apparently not tightening, and therefore they're going to continue on and brutalizing interest rates in terms of making things much, 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 much more expensive for people. Pinex has a list of like 30 coins tokens that to stay in the U.S., they have to delist those cryptos. Oh man, if that doesn't sound like the mafia to you, man, what is? You know what? Like, okay, if you guys want to continue compliance with continue doing business here in the United States, you're just gonna delist these. Why? Because we said so. Nobody determined that those were securities yet. Nobody litigated that those were or were not securities. You simply do as I tell you. Don't question it. Just do it. That is what they're doing. To me, it's sad, man. To me, it's truly sad to see these guys give up like that. Hoodbro, I'm hoping for 18,519 for the market close on Friday, July 21st. Payday from an 8 to 5 job. Very nice. Frank, man, listen, that is an amazing portfolio, dude. And like you already know, you're generating an extra $100+ a month right now in dividends alone. $100 plus a month, man, that might not seem like a lot, but if you use it, you can pay some utilities with the $100 a month. If you reinvest it, it will absolutely compound nicely. Dude, you're talking nearly a 10% annualized dividend. That is huge, man. You don't have that on Australia, only America, as the corrupt government. Yeah, only America. I don't know, dude. Australia, sometimes they seem pretty strict as well. Tax bills are insane here, I will say. Yeah, Tristan, I'm not trying to rip on anybody else's government, but you guys do seem a little crazy as well. Michael, thank you very much for the super chat. Pfft. Inflation. Clay having weekends off. Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump. Michael Allen, the most consistent player in the game, ladies and gentlemen. Michael Allen. Mike, thank you very much for that super chat, man. Absolutely appreciate you on that one. And I want to know, I'm looking at this coin again, if Outdoor Smile is in here. Listen, I'm going to keep saying it until this dude shows back up. Outdoor Smile, thank you very much for this beautiful birthday present. I don't know if you're out there right now, but absolutely love this thing. A reminder of everything that AMC and GameStop went through. I think that's one of the coolest coins that I've ever gotten in my entire life. Yes, Moji coming in hot with a green name. And guess who got it, ladies and gentlemen? Tristan Tisdale becoming a green name bro right now. I love it, Moji, man. Thank you very much for throwing that green name out there. Tristan, thank you very much for becoming a bro, grabbing that green name, joining the channel, all that good stuff. Moji, you're the absolute man, dude. Hey, Clay, I needed an explanation. Wrapped Luna ran on Sunday afternoon, evening. It went from 0.0008 to 0.014. Wow. And then back down to, can you see the big candle on CoinGecko? It could have been a fake run, but let's see if I can find it. Well, let's just see if... Maybe it shows up here on CoinMarketCap. Does not show up on CoinMarketCap. Let's see if we do have something on CoinGecko. Yes. Verify that I am a human. Come on now. I don't see wrapped lunk here, man. What's the ticker for wrapped lunk? Am I looking something up wrong? I do not see it on CoinGecko. Tell me what the ticker is, and I can pull it up there. But yeah, I don't see it right now. I see wrapped Luna Classic on CoinMarketCap, but I don't see the tick up. Yeah, man, Australia has some mental laws around money and tax and investing. Absolutely crazy. Hey, the UK is very stringent as well. UK's got some crazy laws, too. It's not just the United States. It's insane. Saw your lunk videos. Keep them coming. Enjoying it thoroughly. Arubasu. Appreciate you, man. I do plan on keeping it up until literally nobody watches anymore. So as long as somebody watches, I guess it's going to be okay. But if everybody stops, game over. Mo, you kind of cool too. Mo is cool, man. I like Mo. Thank you for the gift, man. Absolutely. Yo, bro. Stay green. Renewing the months up. Absolutely. Did the Australian government take away all the... I don't know. I actually don't know if they did that or not. Having illegal firearms, unless licensed, and getting one is hard. Since the Sandy. Oh, my gosh. Oh, man. It's not going to happen here. So, sorry about that for you guys, but it's not going to happen here. I love how some people can use something like that. Never mind. This is not a political statement. We're not going there. They're going to have to pry my dead fingers. They will try, Moji. They will try. They will try to do that. Australia is one of the best beaches. Bondi. Is that how you spell it? I have no idea if that's how you spell it. I've never been to Australia. I think it would be a nice place to go to. Not hyping that Shib trash anymore. Oh, Malone. No, you can check it out, man. Daily videos on Shiba Inu coin. I've been doing daily videos on Shiba Inu coin for like 2 years now. I don't know if it's necessarily a hype. Some people might consider it a hype when you talk about something. I would consider it more of a what's going on, stay up to date with everything that's happening in that project. But yeah, as you can see, it's in the top right-hand side of the screen right now, and daily videos on it may indicate to some that it's a hyping of the coin. I would venture to say it's just more of a stay up to date with everything that's going on there. Way too crowded, though, and much better beaches elsewhere, to be honest. Tristan knows the good stuff, man. Shib isn't trash. It's just taking a little nap at the moment. Yes, it is. It will wake up a sleeping giant one day. One of those overhyped beaches that only a tourist spots, because it's in Sydney. Guys, so where's the best place to go? Tristan, where is the best place to go? If you are visiting Australia, it might be near some tourist attractions, right? But if somebody wants a little bit more of a private beach and they want to go have some fun with the locals, where should they go in Australia to enjoy themselves while still being able to take advantage of all the tourist attractions? Because after all, that's what somebody wants to do when they are a tourist, is take advantage of the tourist transactions. Luke was removed from Binance as well. Yeah, man, isn't that crazy? Because I wonder what they're going to do on, I think it's July 14th. July 13th or July 14th, a U.S. judge is going to be weighing in on whether Terra Luna Classic is a security. And if they say it is not a security, we are going to have legal precedence here in the United States that says Terra Luna Classic is not a security. If that's the case, why would Coinbase not relist it? I mean, just because the SEC thinks it is, a judge will have legal precedence saying that Terra Luna Classic is not a security next week, actually. So it's going to be a pretty big day for Terra Luna Classic next week if that judge decides that LUNC is not a security. Shib is a sleeping giant. One day, it'll overtake Bitcoin. Everybody thought Bitcoin was trash 15 years ago. That they did, roulette wheel. That they did. I truly don't know if Shiba Inu coin will overtake Bitcoin. I mean, that's a pretty bold statement. I'm not ready to make it. But you are right. You are right. And I myself was skeptical of Bitcoin even back in 2012. I kind of followed the narrative that was trying to be pushed by media and government officials out there that Bitcoin, its only intended or its only real use was illicit activity. Drug dealers have to use Bitcoin. Drug dealers are the only ones that can use Bitcoin. And if drug dealers are the only ones that can use Bitcoin, there's no way Bitcoin is going to survive and thrive. That was at like $100 per Bitcoin. Where are we now, man? 30 grand, and it is low. It is a low-priced asset at $30,000 right now. And they convinced you not to buy it at $100 a coin. Think about that, man. Oh, government's the same. Other countries just throw you in a cage. America will let you still walk around. They just find ways to ruin and control your life. Chris, man, it's all about the control. I don't know if they necessarily want to ruin it, but they do want to keep you compliant. Okay, they absolutely want to keep you compliant. And one of the ways they do so is to keep you reliant. So if you rely on them in any aspect, you will be compliant. 1 o'clock. Where's Wana? Kombu, Pika, Simonino, Trapper. I don't know, man. I've been thinking about AMC Trapper. I don't know where he's been recently. I do hope he comes back and hangs out with us. Simonino was in here one day, a couple days ago. Pika, I guess Pika has been on a trip or on vacation somewhere. I don't know if it was a work trip or a vacation. Kombu, haven't seen Kombu in a couple days. It has been a little quiet, man. We need to send out a search party for these bros out there. We need to get them. But it is 1 o'clock. I don't know where Wana is. We need to find Wana as well. Guys, even the Simpsons predicted it. Simpsons are never wrong. You might be right, roulette wheel. Guys, we are going to get off here for right now. We're going to be coming back this afternoon. Live stream at 4 o'clock. Be back for that. We got videos coming out at 7 p.m. Videos coming out at 8 p.m. Please watch them, like them, click the like button and share them and all that good stuff. Let's get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout outs and we'll be back a little bit later. Kenneth, thank you very much for being in here. Kenneth, enjoy your day, man. Roulette wheel. Tristan, see you later. Chris, enjoy your day. Moji, roulette wheel. Tony D, J Bones, baby. Mr. Brian, Lemon Lust, Dark Bro, J Bones, Tony D, Tristan, again, man. Thank you very much for being in here, grabbing that green name today. Moji, thank you for throwing all of those green names out there. Appreciate you, man. If Nick F is listening, Stephanie, bro, you've got Pika, everybody else that's out there that was mentioned that may not be in here for a while, please come back to us. We need to have you. Jennifer, later to you. Peace out to you, DD214. Anybody else right now, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.